Hi guys, this is Jennifer Burrows again. This is my third technology that I found called Smiling Mind. This is for the social and emotional aspect that we deal with our kids. Um, Here at my school, we have time that's usually called unplugged, which you usually don't use technology, but I think this is something that we could use during that time to help our students with our social and emotional aspect of the day and life. So it's obviously used for students, though it can be used for adults. So educators can use it too because we're all going through a lot of stress right now. So it's something that we can all use. So Smiling Mind is a unique web and app-based program developed by psychiatrists and educators to bring balance to people's lives. This is a great tool to help students with social and emotional needs. So what you would do is you can download the app onto like an iPad, Chromebook, something like that. And then, so each day you can have, or however often you meet with a student, or even it's just the educator. If it's a daily thing, just a 10-minute, okay, this is what I'm going to calm down and work on certain things right now. So what Smiling Mind is used for is Smiling Mind is used to help every mind thrive and provide accessible lifelong tools to support a healthy mind. So the student interaction, students can use Smiling Mind to help deal with pressure, stress, and challenges of daily life. So you can have you set up lesson plans if you want with each student, and you can go and work through them every day. And like I said, they're only about 10 minutes, but it gives them step-by-step kind of lesson plans to do. Teachers can assign lessons to the student in Smiling Mind, and they can work their way through each step. So if you click on the lesson, and then you'll click over here, and it'll show next step, and they'll give you how many sessions there are in that lesson. So then you have about maybe 1 to 4 steps in each lesson, and then when you're done with that, you're done with that lesson. So the dashboard can be used to show students quick facts to help them understand their lessons they have completed. So it might show them how many sessions they've completed, how many minutes they've been on the app, or maybe how many days in a row that they've used the app. I find that this would be a great way to help not only students but even educators, especially now with everything that's going on, whether we're remote, hybrid, in-face, and or a mixture of all of them. There's just a high level of stress everywhere right now in our schools. So I think doing that for not only our students but our teachers would be very critical and very helpful to all of them. So this is something that I look forward to trying to implement throughout the whole school, not just in my classes. Thanks.